Hopefully I strapped this joker enough. Yes, sir. Oh, close. I think, ooh, from here it looked like Bal might have got John on the top. Q right behind. So, yeah, man. Good little three-way run right there. Really love to seize it. All right, them two gonna run. Oh yeah, ZX10 on them, boy. ZX10 on them. Oh, killed him. Just like I thought. Just like I thought, boy. TRP, you know me. Caught them, baby. Let's go. Aria, you a bad bitch. You a bad bitch, Aria. Let's go. Run. Oh man, she really still with this strap on, bro. And this bike is something else. I gotta get this stretch on. She willy, but she fought it pretty good. The crap out of it, I felt like. But yeah, she is feisty right now, boy. Can't, boy. This is the last time I'm riding her stock wheelbase though. When I get back, it's time to put that bionic arm on there, and that's gonna change it all up. Look at them views, y'all. Look at the views. Awesome, bro. Amazing out here. Alright guys, camera died during some of the festivities, but boy, it's been fun out here. That's why I always bring all my spare batteries in my jacket pocket, because you never know how long you're going to be out here getting it with the boys, you know what I mean? But Aria, my tuner didn't even tell me that she's all there now. He took the restrictions off this bike. I found that out at just the last little gas station fill up. So no wonder she keeps trying to wheelie on me in first gear real bad. So she's sometimes doing it, sometimes not. So I didn't strap the whole first stretch of runs. Strapped a little bit last time, it wasn't enough, and I just strapped it a little harder. So we'll see. But yeah, man, she feisty, boys. But next time I'm gonna have the arm, so it shouldn't matter anyway. But yeah, for now, just getting used to her coming up, man. I just been chopping throttle to be safe instead of trying to shift, you know, mid-air or whatever and just keep it moving. So it is what it is. But yeah, man, really enjoyed the ride today. My last good one all the way until July. Fun times, met some new dudes, and you know, got a chance to get with the boys. We've been having fun, and that's what it's all about, y'all. Ride with your friends while you can, enjoy your life while you can, because you know we ain't promised tomorrow. But you guys have already seen I'm pretty active. I'll respond to just about any message, and if I can help somebody else with different things or give you guys advice on certain parts and things and how they've affected my bike, I'll definitely do that. Even on IG, I respond on there, and just interacting with the community is awesome, man. I love that. But as you guys can see, I had a rematch with Bow Mobzilla, and he still beats me, but I'm in the same time zone now, so I'm happy with that. I didn't expect to beat him, because his bike is very well set up. It's an awesome HP4. You guys already done seen it. Beautiful bike, got some great parts on it, and John tuned it, so I know it's got, you know, everything it can get. John, he treats everybody's bike like his own. That's one thing I love about him. He spends hours and hours and hours tuning a bike. You just don't take your money, do a couple hours, and say, you know, have a nice day or whatever. So that's one thing I respect about him a lot, and that's why he's got my continued business the whole time. The other HP4, he didn't let me get him again this time. It was even pretty much that first run, and then after that, it's pretty much just been, he's got the hit on me. I've been asleep, a little lazy, plus I keep wheeling, so ain't nothing I can really do about that one. They both got arms, and I don't, so we'll be able to even the playing field up, you know, sooner than later. So. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, man. Yeah. It's hard to see. Hard to see who won that. Everybody loves two wheels, man. Everybody. Kids, moms, grandmas. Everybody loves them. I just like to wave at random people, man, and get the reactions. It's funny, though. But, guys, you got a chance to see what Ario was all about. Completely unlocked, I guess, on stock wheelbase. It's crazy because I didn't know he was taking the restrictions off of first and second a little bit, so I guess I was pushing up on the gas tank enough to keep her down, and I was wondering why she was wheeling a little bit, because before she would not, before when he had those restrictions on. So yeah, I just thought maybe, hey, the airfield is where it needs to be now, so maybe that's, you know, I'm getting all the power, you know, that I should have had before. But yeah, nah, it's fully unlocked. Nothing's, you know, preventing me from getting 100% at all times. So it makes a ton of sense now why she was just trying to wheelie on me. Even with the strap yoinked down as far as I can go. But it's dope though, man. Like I said, it's gonna be bittersweet. She's gonna have a bionic arm on her, and she'll be a whole different bike now. But y'all just gotta help me shop for 600 track bikes in the wintertime, guys. I would prefer to get another ZX6R 09 to 12-ish range. Nothing older than 09, preferably. But yeah, man, that 09 that I had was amazing. I might even reach out to the owner and see if he wants to sell it back to me. Because I know what's done to the bike, and, you know, that'll be easy to, you know, obviously it makes your mind feel a little better if you buy something that you know everything is in it instead of just trusting the seller. But yeah, that's the goal. Give me a 600 for the track and make this my road race beast. And so far she hasn't disappointed, man. ZX10 has been doing the thing. So when I get back at the end of July, it's going to be time to swap some things out, finish removing the rest of the restrictions, and I'm going to get an E85 tune too, I believe, because MR12 is going to be few and far between, to be honest. So if I get a 93 and an E-tune, that'll be more realistic, I guess, to run that often. There's a lot of E85 in my area around here, so if we stay kind of close, be no problems. But if I'm going to venture out a bit, probably just use 93, keep it safe, and go from there. But yeah, I can't wait to see how she turns out, and looking forward to documenting that and having you guys see the journey of Aria and what she'll become once she's done. But so far, we've done a lot in a little bit of time that we've had her, and the short, almost 3K miles probably now that we've owned her. But yeah, love her, man. Awesome decision. If you guys are debating getting the new ZX10, man, they're great bikes. I don't care what anybody says. A lot of the 5th gen guys don't like the way they look and stuff like that, but the look grew on me so much before I bought the bike that I had to have it. Just some of the normal up-to-date creature comforts is on here too, like auto blip and stock. Now I don't have to flash for that. Cruise control, the ability to have heated grips, and winter times over here in Texas, it'll be 30s in the morning, and then it may get to 70 or something like that later. So you still need to have some kind of comfortability, creature comforts or whatever. So I plan to get heated grips for next winter for sure. If I ride to work. Right now I can't get on the installation where I work now without mirrors. I do have some mirrors for bar ends I need to try out. I'll throw them on in the summer and see how I like them. Just bought some eBay specials for now. I didn't want to go out there and buy no expensive, $200-300 bar end mirrors. I didn't think that was worth it. And Rizomas, they're so small you can barely see crap. I actually honestly think the bar ends would be better. So that's what I'm gonna try out, and we'll see. But that's gonna do it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Appreciate it. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and keep on rocking with me and supporting. And I appreciate all the support y'all been giving. Y'all take it easy. Later.